one click is all it takes to lose everything.
We are in a cyber war. You can either be a defendant or you could be a victim.
I have worked in security for 30 years. And if you told me 25 years ago that in the year 2019, companies were going to be breached and companies were going to be compromised because they had weak passwords that were easily guessable, I would have laughed. I would have been like, come on, man. Like, there's no possible way that we're not going to learn our lesson about having strong passwords. It's just common sense. Yet in recent news, we had Citrix, a very large technology company, was compromised and broken into by who we believe to be the Iranians, and you got it, via weak passwords. Now, here's the interesting thing. When people hear of advanced persistent threat, nation-state attacks, Chinese, Iranian, Russian, they think of these crazy, off-the-wall, really high-tech methods of breaking in. But let me help this out for you. An advanced threat is going to use the easiest, simplest way to break in. Of course, they have more advanced techniques, but if something is simple and easy, they're going to go after that as their first point of entry, and that's exactly what the hacking group Iridium from Iran did against Citrix. They did what we call a password spraying attack, where they go in and they harvest accounts, and then they try a set of easy passwords against every single one of those accounts with the hope that one of them will have a weak password. And sure enough, one did. They broke in, and now tons of information, tons of intellectual property, and tons of personal data has now, yet again, been compromised because a company didn't have strong password policies. So if you want to protect your systems, if you want to protect your information, if you want to protect your data, if you want to protect your family, have strong passwords. I can't say it enough. Attackers know that weak passwords are an easy point of compromise, and they are using it to hurt us, hurt you, and hurt this country. So go in right now after this video, change your password, make sure you have strong, robust passwords for all your accounts, and if you're a company, run password cracking tools on a regular basis to make sure all employees have strong, robust passwords.